Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Milky Antonio Espartero. I am 35 years old and I live in Malabay, Dumingag, Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. I have one daughter and she is 15 years old. I have 4 brothers and 1 sister. I am an undergraduate of the Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. I worked before in Saudi Arabia from 2019 to December 2025. I served 8 members of the family, 2 adults, 4 children, 1 toddler, and a newborn baby. My main duties and responsibilities are cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing the clothes. However, my main duties and top priorities are taking care of the baby and the toddler, since my employers were both working. To my future employers, I promise to take good care of your family. I am a responsible, reliable, trustworthy, and a hardworking employee. Thank you, ma'am.